there's a trend going on right now where a lot of software that was formerly something you would just buy and then periodically pay for an upgrade is being sold on a subscription basis. If you go into a store to buy Microsoft Word, you'll actually find they don't ship discs anymore. And if you even do buy Microsoft Word in a store, it's generally sold two ways. One, as an outright download and buy, and the other, which they're actually encouraging more so by pricing it at a better price point, is the subscription model. And other companies are following suit. Adobe, for example, used to sell an extraordinarily expensive suite of programs they called the Creative Suite. Now it's called something else. They keep changing the Creative Cloud, CC instead of CS. But the point there is that they sell these programs on a subscription basis. And the thing that bugs me about that is I am, for what it's worth, an occasional user of certain types of programs. Let's say word processing. Like a lot of people, there's really not much call for word processing unless you're a student. Even if you have a business, there's still very few times when you actually need to load Microsoft Word. And for what it's worth, I use a Mac. I'm just as happy using Apple's Pages, which is free, comes with the Mac. But for what it's worth, I think if Adobe and other companies are going to have an option to essentially rent software, and you are of the type of person who doesn't use it that much, you're going to be paying monthly for a program you aren't necessarily going to use. So if they're going to go to that extent, they should allow a granular unit, which is rented for a week or even a day. So if, let's say, you're in the middle of a project and you need to get it done this week, why pay the full monthly rate for something you're going to use for the day? Or in the case of like a Word document, you may need it for one day. You may need Microsoft Office one day, like every 3 months. So why not allow people to do that? So today's idea of the day is a pay per day and week software subscription. So that's it. That's today's idea of the day. Yeah, some of them are better, I got to admit. But if you really want to see a new idea each day, some of them are going to be good, some of them are going to suck. What are you going to do? Subscribe and visit ideaoftheday.com.